Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. I hope you all are having a very good Saturday and a very good weekend. Hope you all are having fun and making memories on this Saturday evening and ready to get ready for Sunday. And it's a great weekend, I must say. The great weather and everything is going well. Schools have started. It is so much nice and calmer and good it's going with the school. So friends, today one of my first subscriber who commented on my beauty video which I had made a makeup video for get together. So she requested me to do a video of my favorite products and what I use for my day-to-day daily life and what are my good things which I have, what I like, and also this video is for you, Patricia. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for commenting and asking me to do a good video on this, and I enjoyed doing it so much. So I'll show you some of my favorite jewelry also in this, because I love to dress up and all, and I'm missing getting dressed up because of this corona and things that didn't happen well. So this is my first necklace, friends. So it looks like this. Oh, it's tangled. Yeah, so it's tangled and there's a point where we need to just push it behind. There's a holder, so I'll remove and show you this one. Today I wore very good earrings also. So this has a button over here which will do how much ever size you want for your neck, and it looks like this, and this goes very well with Indian jewelry. I hope you all can see it well. So yeah, this is very good. It has multicolors, and I can just wear it anytime, and I love this for with Indian outfits. And this is again a very nice bracelet. It just sticks and it's good. So I like this one also. Now I'll show you my other one. And this one, it's very good because it pops open just like this, friends. So how much ever a fat arm or short hand, both can wear it because it has an opening here. I hope you can see it here. Yeah, and you can remove it directly from here, but it fits me from the top also, and I can do that way also. So the right way for me to do is like this to open it. So yeah, and today I have applied red nail polish. How did you all like it, friends? Let me know. And over here, these are again from India. So I use this, and these are two. Actually, I can wear one in this hand, but I always wear this while sleeping, getting up, waking up, taking a shower, everything I do with this. So I'll remove this and wear this one now. So how did you like it? Did you like it? So it's like this. Hope you like this. Yeah, and one more favorite is my this bracelet. This is also has an opening from here. I bought all this from Target or Walmart initially. Cannot give the description because I had bought it long gone some years back. I don't even remember. So this is one more which I like, and it suits me so much. This is one of my favorite too. I hope you like it. See, friends, it has lots of stones and American diamonds or something like that it's called. So yeah, I just love this too. So I'll remove this too. So now I'll show you my last one. This also has, and it goes very well with my some of my Indian dresses and all. So here it is, friends. I hope you like it and comment on it. Which one did you like the best? And this is a necklace, small necklace, which I can wear anytime. It has my alphabet. It has that A, and A stands for Archie. So this is my favorite chain with my letter. These are from Bath and Body Works. They are Kashmira Glow. Then it is Jingle All the Way, Moonlight Path. Then this is Ultra Sheer Body Cream. Then I like joggers. I like white diamonds a lot. and it's perfumed body lotion, which is my favorite. And I use White Diamonds perfume from Elizabeth Taylor, again the White Diamonds, but it's in the black bottle version. Then I like this Victorinox Swiss Army Victoria. So these are the good perfumes. I always use this perfume when I have to go out and I need to smell good. So these are my favorite perfumes. So I even have used Olay, and it's a very good product actually, and it says that it is having that 7 signs which can get erased. This is what it says, 7. It was a good Olay cream is good. I like this one. Then I've used Olay Rejuvenist. So this is also very good, and I've already used, and it's in the middle of it that I will be finishing it very soon. Then you all know I use Premier when I have to get ready, and I've showed you in my beauty video. So I use this. Then I use this mineral foundation. Then I use Cetaphil, and this is the dry powder from White Diamonds. I like it. Some of my favorite nail colors are here. I have Revlon, which is 020 Pure Pearl, then OPI, then LAC, then these and all don't have the numbers, so, and they are very old nail polishes, so they don't have the number. They are New York City colors, and this is mermaid colors, so I don't know if you can see it. It is Sea Life, and it is from LA Colors, Mermaid Magic. I had bought it during Christmas of last year. All these are very old nail polishes. You must have seen me during my videos. And this is the nail polish remover which I use. It is the remover 100% pure acetone oils, and it removes my nail polish very nicely. So all this is my collection. Patria, this is for you. You told me to make a video for all my favorite products. I'm doing that today. I hope you like it. And I have some good collection of lipsticks. So mostly they are Revlon, and this is the best actually. The L'Oreal, and it is lip color. Doesn't say the number, I guess. So, yeah, doesn't. Oh, number is here. 438 D code. So this is the best too. I like this one. Then I like this Maybelline lip gloss. It's the best. And the number is again 035 Heat Wave. So this is the best which I like. And this is my eyeliner which I wear sometimes, the blue one. And it is Maybelline Unstoppable eyeliner. It's a fire. So yeah, there's no number of here. So this one is this one. And this you have already seen my eyeshadow. These are my clips. These are my rouge. It's from the Physician formula. So there's no number of here. Yeah, it's a Physician formula. And this you already saw, which I had used during my beauty video which I had made. Oh, it is 020 Light Pale. So all this is my collection, my clips, and some Revlon shades are very nice. 225, it is rose wine. It's the rose wine. And this one is the Lorac one. I had ordered this online during Christmas of last year because I wanted to go out. And then this one is 575 brown blush. So all these are my favorite. And then normal colors. I don't have much makeup stuff, and this is it. And I think this one lipstick is the best one because it's a red one. It's Leah's red. It's a best lipstick and it's a red color. It tones every skin type. And this is again one more red. It is 050. Yeah, all these are nice. Then I had bought some CoverGirl. So this stays for 12 to 24 hours they say, but it was hard to come out. But then I used my ghee to remove all my makeup, and this is the eyeliner which I use. So all this Patricia. Hope you liked my little collection. You're my first subscriber. And these are the oils which I use for my face to remove my makeup after it's a very dark makeup or very heavy makeup. I use extra virgin olive oil because it suits me again. Pure almond oil, again it suits my skin and I use it and it's a very good oil. Then I use ghee which I made it at home. Then I just wipe my face with rose water also. Here I've used from the Indian brand and it is called Arake Gulab. It's a rose water basically. Then I use honey for all my facials, which you all know, which I can wear anytime. It has my alphabet. It has that A, and A stands for Archie. So this is my favorite chain with my letter. So this is all, friends, which I have, and I hope you like my little collection of my makeup and whatever I use and all the things which I do. I hope you like this video. If you have liked it and if you liked something, please comment and share this video with your friends, family, your brothers, sisters, wherever. And a big shout out to all my subscribers. I've reached to 500 subscribers. I'm feeling very happy. Please make me grow in my YouTube family. I love you all. So take care. And if you liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe. Love you all so much. I'm very happy for 500 subscribers. Keep growing, friends. I really appreciate all the love and all the support you gave me. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Till the next video. Bye. Love you tons.